So we have all the satellites locked. Let's take off. GoPro is at the moment off. So I'm gonna turn on the GPS hold. And bring it a little farther from my car because the wind is gonna push backwards really bad, really hard. Okay, here we are. So you can see she's tilted forward and fighting with those big gusts. Whoa! Now these are some bad gusts. I didn't even fly my 2.6 meter gliders today. You can see SkyView is holding really nice. For this category quadcopter, this GPS hold and altitude hold is simply superb. And the wind is really big and slapping really hard. I'll leave it here. I leave the sticks and see how it will hold. She is climbing and holding there. Coming my way, and now she is trying to go back to its original GPS position while the wind is slapping again. I am actually impressed with such a little quadcopter handling this much wind. Alright, bring it down a little. Please stay in the camera. Stay in the camera view. Beautiful, simply beautiful hold. Let me land the baby. Let's not torture it. Superb.